Guys, I can't stress enough how crucial heart health is, especially for our seniors. As a doctor, I've seen firsthand the impact of clogged arteries. It's really important we address this. Today, I'm here to tell you about 5 foods that could be game changers for your heart health. These aren't just any foods. They're like superheroes for your arteries. And trust me, I've seen how these simple dietary changes can make a world of difference in my patients' cardiovascular health. Let's talk about garlic first. You might not love the smell, but your heart sure loves what garlic can do. It's like a natural medicine, helping to reduce blood pressure and prevent that nasty plaque from building up in your arteries. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that's been shown to have significant cardiovascular benefits. Try adding a clove or two to your meals. Your heart will thank you. Now, on to berries. Guys, these little fruits are packed with antioxidants and fiber. It's like they're on a mission to reduce cholesterol and improve your heart health. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're all great choices. I always tell my patients to think of berries as nature's candy, but with health benefits. The flavonoids in berries have been linked to lower blood pressure and improved vascular function. Okay, let's move on to leafy greens. Things like spinach and kale. These aren't just trendy health foods. They're seriously good for your heart. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals that support cardiovascular health. For example, the nitrates in leafy greens can help reduce blood pressure. It's like giving your heart a big green hug with every bite. Now let's talk about nuts. Almonds, walnuts. These little guys are powerhouses of healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber. It's really important to include them in your diet because they can help protect against heart disease. Just a handful a day can make a big difference. Think of them as nature's heart-protecting snack. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about fatty fish. Salmon is a great example. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are like the secret weapon for keeping your arteries clear and reducing inflammation. These omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, have been shown to reduce triglycerides and increase HDL cholesterol. That's the good kind. Try to include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week. It's like giving your heart a mini vacation with every bite. Now guys, incorporating these foods into your daily diet is key. Make it a habit to include at least one of these heart-friendly foods in your meals every day. It's not just about eating them once in a while. It's about making them a regular part of your life. Remember, maintaining a healthy heart through diet is crucial for seniors to lead a healthy and active life. I've seen patients reverse years of poor dietary habits and significantly improve their cardiovascular health. It's never too late to start taking care of your heart. All right, we've covered a lot of ground today. 5 superfoods that can help keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy. Remember, it's all about making small, consistent changes to your diet. Your heart works hard for you every single day. Isn't it time you return the favor? Start incorporating these foods into your meals, and your heart will thank you for years to come. As a doctor, I can tell you that these simple changes can lead to profound improvements in your cardiovascular health. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep that heart of yours pumping strong.